जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द पीएम समाचार चैनल फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड। खासिया de facto state in the South Caucasus, recognized by most countries as part of Georgia, which views the region as an autonomous republic. It lies on the eastern coast of the Black Sea, south of the Greater Caucasus Mountains. In northwestern Georgia, it covers 8,660 square kilometers and has a population of around 2,45,000. Its capital is Sukhumi. The states of Abkhazia is a central issue of the Georgian-Abkhazian conflict and Georgia-Russia relations. Chinese 7 active air base on the LSC focused by Indian agency. Education. For online classes, 27% of students were not able to attend because they do not have smartphone and laptop. Sacraments. There is no effect on Ram Mandir of earthquake, typhoon or another natural problems. Environment. The Falgu, a river that flows past Gaya, India, Indian state of Bihar, is a past sacred river for Hindu and Buddhist Lord Vishnu temple. Vishnupad Mandir is situated on the bank of Falgu river. Invention. A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbe. Its toxins or one of its surface proteins, the agent that stimulates the body's immune system to recognize the agent as a destroy it and to further recognize and destroy any of the microorganisms associated with that agent that it may encounter in the future. Great Persian Srinivas Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887. He was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Thought he had almost no formal training in pure mathematics. He made sustainable contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fraction, including solution to mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. Ramanujan initially developed his own mathematical research in isolation. According to Hans Eyschck, he tried to interest the leading professional mathematics in his work but failed for the most part. Jammu Kashmir history in establishment. After the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947 to 1948, the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir was divided between India, regions of Jammu Kashmir Valley and Pakistan. The Indian Administrative Territories elected a constituent assembly in 1951. Which ratified the accessions of the state in 1954. In 1956 to 1957, China constructed a road through the disputed Aksai Chin area of Ladakh. Crops. Burkashnia record water. The elephant's food or ponytail palm is a species of plant in the family Asparagiaceae, native to states of the Tamaulipas, Veracruz, and San Luis Potosí in eastern Mexico. Despite its common name, it is not closely related to the true palms. Flowers. Cashpilinia pulcherrima is a species of flowering plant in the bee family Fabaceae native to the tropics and subtropics of the Americas. It could not be native to the West Indies, but its exact origin is unknown due to widespread cultivation. Common names for this species include Phoenicia, peacock flower, red bird of paradise, Mexican bird of paradise, dwarf Phoenicia. The Hawaiian name for this plant is Ohai Ayai. Yog. Salam Sirsasana, often referred to Sirsasana or how yoga headstand, is an important asana in modern yoga exercise. It was described as both an asana and a mudra in classical Hatha yoga under different names. The benefits of Sirsasana: cleans the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression, strengthens the lungs, tones the abdominal organs, improves digestion, strengthens the lungs. Universe. Death Valley is a desert in eastern California in the northern Mojave Desert bordering the Great Basin Desert. It is one of the hottest places on earth along with deserts in the Middle East and the Sahara. Mathematics. The density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. The symbol most often used for density is P. Although the Latin letter D can also be used mathematically, density is defined as mass divided by volume, where P is the density, M is the mass, V is the volume. Ayurveda. Acacia is a genus of about 60 species of flowering plants in the Mallow family Malvaceae, commonly known as the hollyhocks. They are native to Asia and Europe. The single species of hollyhock from the Americas, the stream bank billed hollyhock, belongs to a different genus. Village town Ajmer Sharif Dargah. Ajmer Dargah, Ajmer Sharif is a Sufi shrine. Moinuddin Chishti, located at Ajmer, Rajasthan, India. The shrine has Chishti grave. Today's event: Christian feast day, Nanu Akhanidi, Youth Day, 1821. Jarvis Island is discovered by the crew of the ship Eliza Francis, 1852. Claimed Indian destroy Fort Salrick, Yukon Territory, 1858. The first of the Lincoln-Douglas debates is held in Ottawa, Illinois. Second World War, also known as the World War II, was a global war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. Involved the vast majority of the world's countries, including all the great powers forming two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis, in a state of total war, directly involving more than 100 million people from more than 30 countries. The major participants threw their entire economic, industrial and scientific capabilities behind the war effort, blurring the distinction between civilian and military resources. World War II was the deadliest conflict in human history, marked by 70 to 85 million fatalities. Weather news. The districts of Uttar Pradesh is possibility of rain. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 32 degrees Celsius. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः